Check this out. It says, when have you seen factory wheels that look this good? Bring the paint on there. I shipped them completely down to the factory color. Then I sprayed them in this aluminum silver. Put some metal flake in there. The hard part about these wheels is that I literally had to take each one of these chrome pieces out of there and paint strip them and put them back together. Taking them apart, stripping them, and putting them back in was about 2 hours of work. And I got brand new Genesis hubcaps coming in. That's going to sit in the middle. It says, when have you seen factory rims that look just this good? Finally done. As soon as I get my car back, they're going on.